Hey guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to talk about these awesome Nike free running shoes. So these are great. They come in men and kids and all different sizes. These are for my daughter. They're a size 2. The amazing thing about these is if your child has any problems with laces at all, we know it's back to school season. I love these because they have elastic laces, so they're able to stretch enough for your child to simply put their foot in the shoe. You have a Velcro at the top, so they put this on and they're good to go. This is gonna help them to get ready early in the morning. If they're at school, it helps them so they're not fumbling if they're not the greatest with laces. I love the fact that these are all white. They're gonna go with every kind of outfit that they wanna wear. They are all leather shoes as well. So they're amazing because they stretch out with your child's foot, so they're going to be really comfortable. And Nike has amazing quality material. They are made very well. And the thing I like is they have amazing support, and they also have fantastic grip on the bottom. So this is going to help your kids as they're playing, going through the hallways, daily things. My daughter has also used these for dance recitals because sometimes your shoes have to be all white. So these are amazing as well. She gets so much function and use out of these shoes, which is such a bonus. But that's just my point of view.